My name is Ziggy and I'm back with another tutorial. Let's go. Alright, so I was approached by an artist actually from the Netherlands, and he asked me to come up with, and I'm gonna quote him, a house, club, piano drum loops for him. And this is what I have so far. Now there's something interesting happening here, especially on the kick, right? It's peaking a little bit, so I wanna trim those peaks, but let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna solo it, and then I'm just gonna change this to FX, and then I'm gonna bring this to the front, pin that, bring the compressor to the front, bypass that, and then I want you to look at the peaks that I'm gonna show you guys now. Did you guys see those peaks? Now those peaks clips they're actually clipping the master track. Now there's a unique way that I tame this, and that's without using a clipper. You can use a clipper, of course, which is, I'd say, the proper way of doing it. You can either use a clipper, or you can use a limiter, or you can just go in and then just lower the clip gain volume. You can just do that to prevent those peaks from hitting the ceiling. But with this, I'm gonna use the Sonitus Compressor that comes stock with Sonar, and I want you guys to pay really close attention to what's happening to those peaks if I tweak the compressor. Let me first solo this. You see those peaks? Let's tame that quickly. Right? So that's what happens if you use a clipper, but that's a little bit too much. So we're just gonna back off slightly up until I get a nice round top end of the kick, and then I'm gonna let go. Yeah, that sounds about right. And that's how I tame pigs on a kick if it's giving me problems. The other option is to use an actual clipper. So this is free clip from a company called Ben Audio. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below, so if you want this, you guys can grab it. It's absolutely free, and let me show you what it does. How cool is that? So there you guys go. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.